Hello, I'm going to show you how you can create that time remapping and the zoom in and out effect. So you need certain plugins from Sapphire, yes, so that you can be able to accomplish yeah the effect. So first arrange your clip well on your timeline, then select all the clips, enable the motion blur for smoother playback and the frame blending. Tap it twice so that it can look like this. Then afterwards, right click, um, yeah, pre-compose. Do this to all, yeah. Afterwards, let's just activate it once. Yeah, afterwards, go to the first, right click, tap time, enable time remapping. Afterwards, press Control C, the first one, Control C to copy, go in the middle of it, add a keyframe, go to the last. Now listen well. Go to the last, tap on it, delete it, then paste the first keyframe by pressing Ctrl V like that. Then copy all, press F9 for easy ease. Then tap one of them, go to the graph. Then let's just increase this first. Uh, yeah, adjust your graph to look like this. Is this other one? Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, something like that. Press U to hide the first effects. You go to the second, do the same way. Um, time, enable, copy the first by pressing Control C, go into the middle, create, go to the last, tap it, delete it first, then paste. Copy all, F9, select one, go to the graph, and then just do it like that. Yeah, something like that. Now do it to the last time, enable, copy the first, Control C, go into the middle of the clip, go to the last, delete it, then paste the one which you've copied, select all, wait, yeah, uh, let's zoom out first. F9, select one of them, go to your graphs, zoom, zoom in, adjust it well, to something like that. The same to the other. Uh-huh. Copy all to see if they look alike. For mine, I have to stretch it a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Like this, select you to hide them. So yeah, something like that. So guys, I don't have a high-end PC, so just allow me to reduce the quality, something like that. So to now place the zoom in and out effect, you need to go to your effects, then search s underscore blur more curves, the official Boris website. Yeah. So here on the controls, effect controls, tap on Z, then go at the end of the key of the video, then tap on U so that you can get this, and then tap on the keyframe so that there can be two of them. Select F9 to easy ease. Tap on one, go the graph. Yeah, something like that. So here you're going to place the time reader or something like that in the middle so that you can adjust how zoomy or how it's going to be here. So like for example, something like that. Yeah, and that if it's much, you can reduce it like that. Yeah, like that.
Yeah, so you can just select both of them, copy them by pressing Ctrl C, then pasting them on the other clips by pressing Ctrl.
So as you can see, they are not aligned. So copy on both of these, move them so that they can be aligned with that. This other one, move them, they can be aligned. Then you can go step by step to edit on how you would want them to be. Select the last, select go. Something like that. Then you can press all. Then you something like that. So if this has helped you, please subscribe, yeah, for more, and like the video and comment on what next you will want to know about in After Effects. See you next.